Hello, everyone. I hope you're all doing great and feeling inspired today. Let's create a warm and colorful sky together. We'll start with a soft sky blue, then gently blend it with white and a touch of red to turn it into a lovely violet tone. As we move downward, the colors become lighter, slowly meeting the glow of the sun, transforming into warm yellows and oranges. Remember to blend the colors gently with smooth brush movements. Let them melt into each other naturally. This slow blending is what gives the sky that peaceful, dreamy feeling, like the quiet moments just before sunset. Now, let's move to the distant hills. Using soft turquoise and a touch of blue mixed with white, I create a hazy look, something that feels far away, almost fading into the mist of morning light. These gentle tones help our scene feel peaceful and deep, setting the stage for everything that comes forward. Once the colors of the sky are completely dry, we can start bringing in brighter, more radiant light. This is the moment when the painting begins to glow, adding soft touches of warm yellow and gentle highlights where the sunlight feels strongest. Take your time and let the light gradually emerge. It's like watching dawn slowly awaken on your canvas. Next, we'll add the trees that cover those hills. With a slightly darker green, I tap the brush lightly to build soft shapes. Not too detailed, just enough to suggest the forest in the distance. Remember, the less you define in the background, the more depth you'll create for the layers ahead. As we move closer, the trees become darker, richer, and more defined. Tall pine trees rise proudly, reaching toward the sky, bringing strength and structure to the composition. In painting, just like in life, there are always shadows before the light. The darker tones create space for brightness to shine even more. Without contrast, neither the trees nor the sky would feel alive. And perhaps neither would we. After adding a few highlights to the bushes in the background, we move to one of my favorite parts, painting the tree trunks. This is where the scene starts to feel real and alive. On the right side, I'll paint a group of trees and include a couple of beautiful birch trees with their distinctive white bark. Then comes the path, a narrow dirt trail winding through the forest, inviting us to take a walk and enjoy the peaceful view. Next, I'll paint the grass and bushes along both sides of the path, using soft, gentle strokes to shape them naturally. The parts touched by sunlight are brighter, glowing in shades of green, yellow, and orange. Every brushstroke is a conversation with the canvas. Sometimes it surprises us, sometimes it teaches us something new, but it always moves us forward. Remember, painting is not a race. It's a peaceful journey where every layer adds depth and every attempt brings you closer to your own voice in art. With a liner brush and thinned paint, I'll add the delicate branches and the distinctive patterns on the birch trunks. Every brushstroke is a small step toward calmness and creativity, and I'm truly happy to share that moment with you. I'd really love to hear from you. Which part of this painting did you enjoy the most? Was it the glowing sky, the tall trees, or the quiet forest path? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback always inspires me. Finally, with a few irregular dark and light strokes, I'll add texture and highlights on the path, giving it depth and warmth. Those little final touches that make the painting come to life. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I hope you enjoyed watching this peaceful forest path come to life on the canvas. If you enjoyed this painting, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming art sessions.